In the dusty attic of the old Winslow house, a peculiar typewriter sat, its keys clattering away without a human touch. Legend had it that this typewriter was haunted by the spirit of a stand-up comedian who met an untimely demise during a particularly bad gig. Every night, under the glow of the moon, it typed out ghost stories so chilling they'd freeze your bones, yet so absurdly funny you'd laugh yourself back to warmth. One story told of a ghost who moaned in high-pitched giggles while dragging chains made of rubber chickens, scaring night watchmen into fits of laughter. Another chronicled a spectral librarian who shushed people with a foghorn, only to apologize with a spectral pie to the face. Each tale was a blend of fright and farce, leaving readers chuckling nervously in their beds, wondering if they'd be haunted by a ghost with a killer punchline. As the sun rose, the typewriter grew silent, leaving